Good morning, sunshines. Today is Saturday, December. Yeah. Thank you, Jason. And we're up. It's early. We're getting ready for church. I don't know how much I'm going to be vlogging. Where's your church pants?
Right here.
Not you. Yours is here. I got you a new church pants. Right here. That is too short. I don't know if Jordan can fit that, but yeah. So you have a new church pants.
Yeah.
So that's that. So I'm picking out their outfit. Let me see. Why'd you put that over top of the other dress?
You told me to do it.
No, I didn't. I said to try it on. Take the other dress off. You don't have to go anywhere. No one is here. Anyways, I'll see you guys later because I have to go pull everything off this memory card because it filled up on me last night. So I will talk to you guys later. So guys, we just coming back from church. Oh, really? You have to squeeze into the middle? You have to squeeze into the middle. So we're just coming back from church. I forgot the camera sitting on the computer because I told you guys I was going to rip everything off. I was gonna rip everything off of the memory card and then delete off my phone and then delete. Slowly, don't make a mess. So guess what we're doing tonight? What are we doing tonight, honey?
Putting up the Christmas tree.
Yay! Finally, that tree is going up. So
yeah,
we're going to
do it the day after Thanksgiving.
Yeah, we're going to attempt to put it up tonight. Attempt, keyword attempt, to put it up tonight. So hopefully everything goes well and nobody gets irritated at no one putting up that tree. Is not.
The camera makes you look skinnier, right?
Really?
Is that the myth?
Baby, look into the eyes of the people and stop looking at yourself. You're so conceited.
I love looking at myself.
No, you have to look at the viewers.
Alright, I look at the viewers.
Let's look at our viewers.
Alright.
Okay? So, like we were saying before I was rudely interrupted by my conceited... Why? But we're gonna put up the tree. I can't get a word in.
You remember this?
I have a bit of cramps right here. Hi. People, I'm still getting presents for Maddie. Every week I go to church and we get a box of diaper. Like we got 2 boxes of diaper today.
Somebody be like, oh, I forgot about it. Let me buy her some.
I know. And then I have to return some stuff because someone thought she was a boy. And they gave us boy items, so we gotta return that. And oh, that's not the hand with the match. We have matching tattoo. But this is not. Is that the right? Is this the right hand?
No.
No. His is on the other side. Let me see the other hand. Here. I don't want to know what's in that cup.
Apple juice.
Let me see. Let me see your So there go his. How do it?
No, you gotta hold hands like we're walking.
It's hard to show.
You just show them.
Okay, this is mine. This is mine. Oh, there go his. Yeah. That's what we got for. Cause I got his nickname on my back, on my lower back, and instead, and then he got both of our flags with our anniversary on his arms, and then we decided to get matching tattoos. Was it for our anniversary one year? I don't remember where we got it, but. Okay, hurry up and get the stuff out, cause.
No, we need Johnny's help.
No, you don't. Jason, you can help him.
Sure. Muscle.
It's a lot of decoration.
Yep.
It is.
That's how this is the first year that they're taking the tree out and taking all the accessories to it.
Yeah.
While I sit here and watch. They're old enough. They're 10. So they're old enough.
I always think our kids are old enough, no matter what age they are. And they're over there bickering.
Let's see how bad they want. Let's see how bad they want to put the tree up now.
I don't know if I'm gonna do it for. I don't know There, better lighting. I don't know if I'm going to do the tree in today's vlog, which today is Vlogmas day 4. I don't know.
Something's
So I don't know if I'm going to do that for today or tomorrow.
Pick it up.
If that makes sense. So there go my pink husband. He's very pink, ain't he? He's very pink.
I'm not pink.
You're all pink. Look at your face. Maybe it's just flustered. Are you flustered?
No.
We gotta do the husband and me tag. We have to do that tag and the get to know me tag. It's a bunch of tags that we have to do so you guys can get to know this man, because he's never on the vlogs. He's always in the car, but you guys know nothing about him. And he's so cute. Yeah, his little butt
Oh,
chin.
beautiful.
Yeah, it's his little butt chin right here. Play with his butt chin.
Stop it.
I think we need to help the kids with the decorations, honey. I need to go pump. My boobs are hard as a rock. I need to go pump. But I'm gonna see you guys in the next footage because this is getting a bit too long. One scene too long. So I'll see you guys in the next footage. Look at all this mess. All that mess just to put that thing over there. Oh, I have had to do it. I didn't want to mess with that thing. Now I have to put that over there. Right here.
So you're gonna put that there?
Yeah, I can't stay there. Okay, go finish clear off the table.
Alright, clean off
So-
the table?
Yeah. So I have to clear off this table, this chair right here. Finish getting this mess. Get my husband off of there. Clear off my table. Clear off this bar. Put those stuff back over there. Get this tree over there. And start laundry. Yeah. Oh, keep whining. So, that's it for tonight. For tonight. Whatever this was.
Can you put this piece of steel?
Put that in the trash. I'm gonna go clean. Take the stuff off of this thing.
Mommy, trash?
And edit a vlog.
Mommy, trash?
I can't do all this.
Trash, mommy?
Yeah, let's try.
This is not trash.
I don't know. I'm coming. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'm going to go start Sunday's vlog. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh, another thing. Actually, I'll let that wait. I'll let that wait until tomorrow. Look at their faces. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this.
Bye.
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 I didn't even get the bump today. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this.
Bye.
And I will see you guys
Bye.
tomorrow.
Subscribe.